So coming to the electrodes we use for this arc welding, electrical arc welding, we have two basic types. One is consumable, another one is non-consumable. In consumable type, the electrodes are consumed during the welding process, and here the source of filler metal, it acts as a source of filler metal in arc welding. In various non-consumable welding electrode, it is not consumed during the welding processes because the filler metal must be added separately, and this electrode, non-consumable electrode, is used only to that is produce arc and maintain the welding process, smooth welding process. This consumable welding electrodes are nothing but welding rods. The various forms we have, either it is in the form of welding rods or welding wire. The welding rods we call it as sticks, generally of 9 to 18 inches in length and 3/8 inches or less in diameter, and it has to be changed frequently. That is, frequently we have to change the welding consumable welding rod when it is of a stick form. In heavy fabrication processes, we don't waste time in replacing these consumable welding rods in form of sticks. So hence we use weld wire, which can be continuously fed from spools with long lengths of wire, avoiding frequent interruptions. So what that interruption is nothing but the changing the electrode frequently. Okay, in both the rod and wire forms, the electrode is consumed by the arc and added to the weld joint as a filler metal. Hence, it is called as consumable electrodes. In non-consumable electrodes, generally this is made of tungsten, which resists melting. So the tungsten is heavy metal which resists melting, but it can be acting as an electrode to produce this arc and melt the other metal. So gradually depleted during welding. That is, vaporization is the principal mechanism here. Any filler metal must be supplied by a separate wire fed into weld pool. So this is very important because the non-consumable electrode will not melt and it will not be consumed during the welding process. Hence, as filler metal has to be supplied separately in wire form, so that will melt and that will fill the gap between the metal pieces, the surfaces where we have to weld, and thus this non-consumable electrodes will act.